This how-to guide is meant to make you acquainted with main peculiarities of Skybuffer Simple Communication add-on implementation and show how simple it is to send a notification email from the SAP system for request for quote using our SAP certified solution. Skybuffer Simple Communication add-on is officially certified by the SAP company for the ERP system version 3.1 and is ready for Solution Manager 7.2. Our business case is definitely for you if you're implementing SAP workflow scenario for request for quote release or monitoring, if your client's business users are concerned about the SAP system flexibility, if you have a limited budget and timeline but still would like to increase your business process productivity. Skybuffer Simple Communication add-on is ready to provide you with interactive emails, easy to be adjusted to any corporate layout, and you are going to need only a few lines of ABAP code which are used in SAP certified add-on from Skybuffer. Let us consider an example of using background service of notifications when detecting a focus situation in the process of request for quote background monitoring. The purchasing department of some company has created a request for quote. As soon as the document is saved, the department manager is sent an email with a notification about creating such a document. So, you are going to see now how easy, fast and convenient it is to send such an email for SAP notifications using Skybuffer Simple Communication solution. The process of ABAP class development for notification scenario consists of two main blocks: reading the document data, business objects, and creating an HTML mail. Here, sending an HTML mail is a standardized algorithm step. It is referred either to custom implementation or implemented just once in the class of mailbound. Now, let us follow all the implementation steps in detail. First, you are to inherit the class of Skybuffer CL YCA1 ERP mailbound into your own class. This is going to be the common core for all tasks on creating mails for simple notifications emailing on documents. In this class, you are to redetermine 4 separate methods on creating common corporate mail style. First, get template. So this method determines the template name. Alternatively, you can organize reading this template from any other source. Now header, get header. Here we determine the mail subject and the company's letterhead, that is the name and the information string. Addressing the receiver, get sections. Here we create the salutation and the text addressed to the receiver. Now signature, get footer. Here we create any template phrase for the footer. This class is created just once for all the document types in the system. In order to create a mail on a particular kind of document, request for quote in our case, we are to copy a demonstration class of Skybuffer CL YCA1 ERP mail RFQ delivered with the Skybuffer Simple Communication add-on, specify the core class created in the previous step as its parent class, and redetermine the following methods. The method of filling the mail with the contents, this is get sections. It affects reading the document and filling the mail with the data. Then get buttons. This method stipulates each button's actions, the words written on the buttons, other additional information, and so on. In this video, we have a sample mail without buttons. This is going to be enough for simple notifications to be emailed according to documents without binding to the workflow. All these classes use text elements. Also, our add-on has an implemented method of switching into the language of a particular receiver, which provides multilingual support when creating mails directly out of the box. As you can see from this example, this programming code is not too big. It can take from 1 to 3 hours to program such a code to create such a mail. All you have to do in order to boost the implementation is to copy or inherit supplementary classes. In case you need to implement a separate option, you are to redetermine the respected class method. I would like to emphasize that the volume of a developed code is not too big, as the main part of the functionality is already implemented in the add-on. Now we are going to open the backend system. And here we are opening the request for quote for which our notification mail has been created. To make it easier and more convenient for the person responsible for the request for quote approval, to spare him from the necessity to log into the SAP system, our mail has the main elements of the document: basic data and positions data. As a result of calling the class method delivered in the simple communication solution, we see the following mail created. This mail contains exactly the same details of the request for quote document as those shown in the previous step. So, implementation of Skybuffer Simple Communication add-on can significantly speed up development of SAP applications and utilities necessary to form, send, and process incoming emails.